Hello, Odd Job Dewey here, and today's little assembly project we got here going on is this hyper tough adjustable swivel seat. You can use it, I guess, in a garage. You can use it. You can see little tools on there. You can use it other places where you need to get low, but you know, not all the way low to the ground. And so I'm going to give this thing a little assembly job and see how hard it is to put together. First thing I'll do is a little unboxing. So that goes up to 300 pounds. Yeah, well, we'll see about that. So let me unbox it and we'll get to it. Okay, so here are the pieces in all the glory. You got 5 of these wheels, which 5 is, I think, the new standard, or been a standard for a while. 4-wheeled things just don't cut anymore. So 5 is the way to go, or more. Then you got this here shock absorber here. We're going down a little bit. We got the pan down there. And down here we got, looks like some acorn nuts and some, we got 5 acorn nuts and 5 spring-loaded washers. Oh, and underneath the pan we've got the cushion. Okay, so I got a cushion there, nice and fluffy, I guess. So step 1 is going to involve the bottom pan, right, like so. And you have that spot there, and you have that spot there, right? Now, this here is the top. You want this ridge right in here to be upwards when you assemble this product. Okay, on the top there, the bottom flat. And then with this, we'll take one of those wheels, acorn nut, spring washer. Then what we'll do here is quite simply, through the bottom here, we'll be inserting the wheels post, like so. Yeah. So it comes through the top. And then the top side here, we'll get a spring-loaded washer and an acorn nut. Acorn nuts are they only go on for so long. You can't go them too far because of the way they're designed. And safety, right? Safety cap. So you just kind of screw that on. And if you get down to a point where it gets kind of like, spinning because you're on a wheel here, you're in luck. Because this kit comes with a tool. Ta-da! A nice little wrench here to, I think does it fit in here? No, it doesn't. It fits in here. So you can use this tool here to tighten down the acorn nut. Nice and snug. No ogre strength needed per se. I'm going to give it a nice snug tight. And then, make sure it's on there good. Basically do the other 4 in the same way. Okay, so something like this here, see? So you got all 5 of them on there, right? They spin, they're nice, they're fun. Okay, next up we got is this this plunger thing here. This thing here, you got 2 ends, a short, well, short but a small diameter and a thicker diameter. Okay, now the thicker diameter goes in this hole here, right? You have the wheels on the bottom, so it goes in kind of like this here. You get lined up and just kind of put in a little twist, but not too much. And see, you'll see it almost goes to the bottom. But we leave it like that, turn upside down. Well, back upright. So the tip's up. Then take this little safety cap off here. Like so. And there's the button. Okay? The button is very important. This cap, not so much. This can go bye-bye. And next one I get is the seat there from the back. And the seat here, besides having mass warning and compliance paperwork on it, and when and where it's made, it looks like, has a, get out of the way, has this hole here, which is smaller, and as you can see, it operates this lever. So when you put the cylinder in there. That goes in this hole here. Quite simple. Make sure the paper's not in the way. Just make sure you get them lined up and right on that hole. Now then, let's just give it a press down, put some weight on it for like 10 seconds. So that's what I can do here. I don't know if I'm heavy enough. Okay, that's good enough for me. And now, it's basically assembled. That didn't take too long, right? And how this operates, besides sitting on top here and just rolling around and, you know, stashing tools down here and you're working off, is this lever. So if there's no weight on it like right now, you get up off it, you just push this lever up, and it raises up, right? It gives you a little sponginess. Now if you put pressure on it and you're sitting on it, whew. So I told you I was almost not heavy enough. Yeah, so up to 300 pounds this works with. And I don't know. All I do know is make sure you get comfortable in the lowest position. Not saying anything bad about this product. Never seen this or used it before. But these air shocks sometimes do fail after time. And usually it just means that you have a seat in the lowest position. That's how my office chair is at home. But have faith, because with different manufacturers and makers, some of those air shocks can last years and years of daily use. So, not too long of a video, right? If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you need any help with assembling any kind of project out there, let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can get some help to you. Probably just, you know, more visual vocalizing, not actually coming to your house to work on anything, but you never know. And thanks for watching. Join me in the next video.